want to make a quick video discussing how to lubricate one of these Xbox 360 Slim fans. This one, as you can see, I had to cut a hole in it. What I did was I used a Dremel and I just sanded through it. And now you can see the fan shaft in there. I'll show you it's not spinning very good right now. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil and see what happens here. So what I'm using is just some clipper oil that I have for a hair clipper. So I'm just going to add a little drop here. I don't want to add too much because you don't want it to go all over the place. And I'm going to try to work it in. We'll see how this looks in a minute once I've tried working it in a little better. And I have some black electrical tape that I'm going to put over that hole so that it's a little more sealed up. Okay, so the tape's on there now. Looks pretty good. Might not be as obvious to you at home, but this definitely feels a lot smoother. And it should really help with the red ring of death that happens to these things. In my case, I noticed that every time it would happen, it was simply because the fan wasn't spinning. So hopefully with this thing spinning better now, it won't happen anymore. And yeah, hope that helps you.